Welcome to VidJet Review. In this video, I'm going to show you all the things you need to know about VidJet. VidJet is an ad-free video hosting platform that lets you easily publish video content on your website and e-commerce store. Alternative to YouTube and Vimeo. Boost your video engagement with display formats, including bubble, pop-up, sticky play button, or content embed. Best for marketers and e-commerce sellers who want to boost engagement, trust, and conversions with video content. With VidJet, you can add videos to your website in just 3 steps: upload, customize, and publish. You'll be able to upload your videos in a major file format, including MP4, MOV, WebM, and OGG. Choose from a selection of pre-made, copyright-free videos to welcome visitors, collect emails, and announce flash sales. Plus, you can watch the embedded tutorial videos for tips on how to create your own awesome video content. Add videos to your site in 3 easy steps: upload, customize, and publish. You can publish videos on your website with different display options, so your content flows perfectly in a bunch of different use cases. Use the bubble format to let your visitors choose if they want to play the full video, which is super useful for welcome or support videos. The pop-up video format makes it easy to collect emails or share discounts when a visitor tries to leave your website. You can create a discrete video viewing option with a sticky play button, so you don't disturb your customers' browsing experience. Plus, it's easy to embed videos directly into your web page for product demos, testimonials, and tutorials. Publish your videos with different display formats, like pop-ups, sticky play button, and content embed. VidJet offers plenty of customization options and triggers, so you can control how and when your video appears. Tailor the video to your visitor's device with separate customization options for desktop and mobile. You can also choose where to add each video, whether that's across all pages or only for URLs with specific keywords. You'll also be able to choose what actions trigger your video to appear, like exit intent, scroll percentage, time delay, and page entry. Show your videos exactly how you want them to be seen. Once you publish your video, you'll be able to view and track analytics on the main dashboard to see how your content is performing. Access unique data like views, clicks, and conversions to get direct insights on how video is impacting your bottom line. And because there's no third-party cookie tracking, you can stay compliant with GDPR and other privacy laws. Best of all, VidJet integrates with tools like WordPress, Shopify, and Klaviyo for a seamless workflow. Check out how all your videos are performing with comprehensive analytics. You've perfected your video content, only to lose loads of screen time to random ads. I bet this never happens to Steven Spielberg. Except for all those movies on cable TV. With VidJet, you can quickly publish ad-free videos on your website or e-commerce store and track engagement with native analytics. Don't let ads distract your viewers. Get lifetime access to VidJet today.